This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we're going to be removing the oven door from a Dacor oven, and you might want to do this so that you can clean it better, or you may have to go in and change one of the parts. So we got the door open. We're going to pull back on the latch on the left hand side and the right hand side toward us. We're going to lift up just a little bit and then only a few degrees, and then pull it straight out towards you. So we're coming up about maybe 20 degrees, and you pull it right out towards you. It comes loose easily, and then it goes in the same way but opposite. So it should be easy to do, and just be careful because it is kind of heavy. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.